My Saro Jane, come and sit down, won't you tell me, and won't you lay it on me, why you left. You let me be, my Saro Jane, with a heavy load to bear, yet softly she treads there. Come the morning, after the wild wind, I must wait for an answer. And for my time, my peace of mind. And now she stirs, my Saro Jane, her daddy's daughter, came in by the breakwater. And you come home, dressed up in oak, not a trouble on your brow nor a load to tote. And by my hand into this sand, now down she goes, my Saro Jane, all covered in snow. I loved her so, my Saro Jane, all covered in snow. I loved her so.